Got a large lawn to mow? Or maybe it's a lawn with thicker blades of grass? Well, you'll love the extra power and wide cut of this 36-volt HP lawn mower from RYOBI. It uses the latest load sensing technology to deliver extra power when you need it and conserve the battery for longer run times when you don't. It uses 1 or 2 batteries at the same time. And this mower has Smart Boost, which helps draws power from the second battery to help you tackle those longer, thicker blades of grass. And you'll get longer run time from using both batteries, which is ideal if you've got those bigger blocks. But it will run on just one and still give you a great looking lawn. Speaking of great, this LED dashboard lets you choose between 3 cutting modes. Eco mode locks the blades in low speed and gives great run times, ideal if you mow your lawn regularly. Smart mode allows the mower to control the blade speed for a great balance of performance and battery run times. Really helpful if you've got patches of longer grass in your lawn. And power mode locks the blade into high speed for the best cutting performance, but it does sacrifice a bit of run time. It's also got handy safety features like LEDs that let you know if the catcher or mulch plug haven't been fitted correctly, or when it might be time to change your blade. There's even a battery fuel gauge here. The mower has this innovative 10-step height adjustment built into the carry handle. And check out this easy catch doorless design. Simply reach straight through the handles to remove or replace the catcher. And when the work is done and you're ready to put the mower away, simply fold the handle over, lock it into place, then use the handle to stand the mower vertically. A great feature when you're short on storage space. So there you have it. A powerful lawnmower packed with really useful features that even your neighbours will want to try. Just make sure they return it.
RYOBI, a cut above.